Let's keep going. D4. I was too busy watching a tournament in playing tournament in Norway. I mean, I watched a very brief amount of the early first round when Nadal played against Zverev, but that was all that I watched. I mean, I know Djokovic got injured in one of the later rounds. I'm aware of that, but that's pretty much it. He's gonna play the Janowski against me. I mean, let's play this. Let's play one of the boring lines. I'm gonna play one of these old boring QGD style lines. I want to trade. I'm gonna go here. I'll let him trade. I mean, it's basically a QGD. It's like this Carlsbad for E2. I could play Queen C2 too. I think I'm gonna go here though, actually. Because now maybe I can go Bishop H4. Okay, he's gonna trade. Logical. I think this time I'm gonna put the knight on E5. I'm gonna try to play for the diamond hands formation if I can get it. Yeah. Knight E5 doesn't look right. Castles actually looks completely fine here. This is very, very old school chess that I'm playing right now. Very, very old school. Logical. I think I'll go here to trade off the pieces. Because now if I get G4, G5, I start to attack. And it starts to get a little bit dangerous as well for black. Oh, he takes. Did not expect that. Okay. This is just a free pawn. Bruh? Wait, am I... Just a free pawn. What are you doing, dude? Dude, what is that? What are you doing, dude? I mean, I guess that's the Hikaru effect, but this guy is a good player. I mean, this is Rasmus Vane. He almost beat me in the first round in Isle of Man in October. I mean, it's a free pawn, dude. What are you doing? Play here to stop knight b4. I guess he has rook c8. Knight e5, I just go f4, I guess. Or bishop e4, also very good. Or bishop d1, also good enough to discard the pawn. Yeah, I was wondering about f4, but he has some knight g4. Bishop e4 is fine. Bishop d1 is probably fine. If I go f4, knight g4, rook f1. Actually, I'm not buying it. I just go rook f1. Guard the pawn. I mean, this just can't be right, because I can always just tickle the knight. I can just tickle the horse. I just tickle the horse, and once I tickle the horse, I can start pushing the p. I guess I'll go here. Why not? I also have the new diamond hands formation. I'm going to walk my king up to e2. We're going to use the diamond hands to win the game. Speaking of diamond hands, I think GME is down after hours. I wonder if Roaring Kitty's going to start selling stock against his calls, though. Here. Okay, so I'm definitely better here. Now it's just a matter of how to out technique him. Bishop on d3 doesn't... Bishop on c2 doesn't fill... Bishop belongs on f3, but I can't get it there. I think I'm gonna go here and try to start expanding the center of the board. I could go... No, e4, g4. Let's go here. I mean, you're gonna go g4, but I'm not really worried about it. Yeah, logical. I do have rook d8 to trade, but I don't think that's correct. I think I'm just gonna actually go for e4 here if I can get it. I mean, this should be very pleasant. Yeah, I think I've got to go e4 now. I can take with the king or the pawn. Actually, I'm wondering. This is tough. Pawn takes makes a lot of sense here. Huh. I think I'm gonna take with a pawn. I don't know if this is right, but I think it's right. Here. I mean, I have rook h1. I have bishop f5 also. I also have rook d6 to create the kebab on the 6th rank, or the T-bone as they sometimes call it. Rook d... I think I'll go here. There's bishop f5 at all turns. I think I'm winning here. If he goes h5, I mean, I have bishop f5 or rook h6. Doesn't this just win? Knight e5, I just take. Takes, he loses the horse. If he moves the horse, he loses the pawn. Gonna be 7.5 out of 8. We're in the running again, as always. 13, 12, 11, 10. Yeah, it's over. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, just too much lag, right? It's all about the lag. I just take and okay. All roads lead to Rome. But I'm gonna go here because the horse is just dominated. Look at this horse; it's dominated by the bishop. Go here on bishop d3. Now the rook is dominated too. I just go here and end the game. All right, another win. 7.5 out of 8. Good stuff.